Yeah, I didn't come through again, world champion.
Yeah, we are here at the GP of Italy in Darfo Boario Terme. It's the 6th round of the season. Happy to race the home GP this weekend. Hope there is going to be a lot of people cheering for us in the test. And yeah, in the championship, I'm now sitting in second place in both overall, so EnduroGP and E2 class. So for sure, everything is still open. It will be a big fight. All weekend, also in Germany in a couple of weeks. So it's gonna be for sure a big fight with Zach and Garcia again. Ready to go for it.
Yeah, my plan for this weekend with the fight with Andrea is to win. I know I had a bad weekend in Portugal. That wasn't my best test layout and everything. I was not feeling good on the dry condition, but I make some good training with the team this week. I really like this condition. It's kind of like Sweden where I win GP. So no, I really like. I'm happy with the bike, the testing we make in the week. So now I'm here to fight and to fight.
Yeah, to be honest, the cross test I really like. It's a grass test that I really like right there. We have extreme test 1, that it will be the super test plus some grass places that I really like too. Then we have again extreme test 2, which is a river, straight up, straight down with the stones, but I think it will be a line. It will be there, you need to take a good speed and don't make any mistake. But I think the race it will win the enduro test because it's short but really tricky, really difficult, technical. You need to keep a lot of speed in the stones, in the uphill. So yeah, I think the test of the weekend it will be the enduro test.
This year is not a fair.
È una sfida tutta spagnola,
Tecnicamente diventa più difficile.
To be here on Friday night after the super test with the win of the super test. It's been a good test for me. I rode quite good, some really small mistake, but it was really easy to make some mistake because it was really slippery, especially on the logs and on the rocks. But I managed to ride good, and nice way to open the Italian GP.
taking both, so yeah, I get it bouncing like a pogo. And I'm too cold like Frozen. And my chick elastic, girl. Told them we ain't in the bacon, it's a plastic, girl.
Pronto a dare battaglia! Il Samu va dentro
nessun problema. Passa proprio all'arcogimoto, prima sul tronco che anticipa la nostra.
'It was, to be honest, a really good day of racing. I was feeling super good on my bike. I was riding perfect, but on lap 3 in the last enduro, I had a crash, quite big, but to be honest, I made nothing wrong. It's just full of stones. I was in a downhill. I took some a stone with the rear wheel, and I just crashed. But yeah. Then I tried to manage the gap in the end, and really happy to manage to take the win in the GP one. And yeah, tomorrow will be a new day. I will give my 100% as always, and get fun on the bike.
for the trophies and ready for the picture. In Cristino!
Good morning. This morning arrived the sun and good day. Try 2 short day and ciao.
Losing control, I'm gonna explode. Can you bring it back to me? Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me.
Estreme hanno transitato il 58, secondo passaggio di Garcia ancora.
One of the hardest days of my life. I can't even move the leg. I have a big impact in the hip. Cut my elbow.
Happy about today's race. It has been a good second day for me. I I managed to don't do any big mistakes, and the conditions were a bit better than yesterday, a little bit more dry, so I was able to put more a better riding into the test, and really definitely happy to get the overall win and the class win. I also gained a lot of points in the overall and also in the class, so this is important. We still have one round to go. We will train as much as possible and ride there as fast as possible.
We just finished day 2 here in Darfo for my home GP of Italy. What can I say? Can't be better. Win the class for my very first win, so I'm really happy, and second overall. So I don't know what to say. Just an amazing feeling, big emotion after such a long years training. Trying everything I could. I did it, so I'm really happy. I want to say a big thanks to the team, which they helped me a lot during those days. That was really difficult with the rain and with the test. So yeah, and my triumph, which I guess is the first ever win in the Enduro in the World Championship. So yeah, thank you everybody, thank you team, thank you to the sponsor and to the Italian fans cheering hard on the test, and see you in Germany. Thank you.
Jeremy, side over!
I'm still a bit speechless, can't really believe it at the moment, but yeah, I made it happen. Was a big day. Yeah, many fights over all the day. Came down to the last test, so I made it happen there. Took the overall best time, and yeah, third overall, second in class. I'm really happy, thanks to all the Sherco factory team. They stood behind me even when I was injured, and yeah, happy to give them something back, and hope to continue like this in my home GP in 2 weeks, I think.
Pictures! Non è mai stato così forte, le 2 vittorie. Siamo pronti. Belle donne, i piedini sulle braccia. We take the pictures.